The Rat Trap by Selma Lagerlof. Here we are discussing the main characters of the lesson. Rat Trap Peddler. The Rat Trap Peddler was a petty thief who led a very lonely life. He was so lonely because he was all alone in this world. The whole world was rude to him and showed him sour faces. He didn't feel guilty about stealing. He would steal whatever he could. Instead, he felt very happy thinking that everyone could be caught in a rat trap. There were baits circling for everyone. The minute they touched the bait, the whole world would close in on them. He even took advantage of the crofter's trust in him. Remember, the crofter gave him everything. He even confided the secrets with him. But the rat trap peddler cheated on the crofter. The rat trap peddler was very thin with hunger in his eyes. He was a completely changed man after he met Edla. Edla was so good to him. He was confused by her kindness initially. Later on, he started admiring her. Edla's compassion was the only thing that changed him. He didn't want to steal anymore because he did not want to disappoint Edla. He wanted to behave like a captain with her. The crofter. The crofter was an old man. He was lonely because he stayed alone. He had no wife, no children. He was so lonely that he was so happy to see the peddler. He welcomed the peddler home. He gave the peddler food, tobacco. He played with him. He even trusted the peddler with his secrets. The crofter was a very hard-working man. The Iron Master. The Iron Master was a man who wanted to be very honest in his work. That is why he took surprise checks to the forge to see that only quality iron was shipped to his clients. He was also very lonely. Remember, all the characters in this lesson were lonely. His wife had died. His sons were abroad. He stayed only with his daughter Edla. He was very generous. When he thought that his friend Niels Olof had suffered a lot, he was ready to help him and bring his life back to track. He was not as kind or as observant as his daughter. Edla Wilmanson. This is one of the main characters of the lesson. Edla was the Iron Man's daughter. She was also extremely lonely because she was living only with her father. That Christmas, she wanted somebody else at home with whom she could share the Christmas meal. She was very happy to have the peddler for Christmas. She was extremely kind and compassionate. It was her compassion and her kindness that changed the rat trap peddler into a completely different man. She always kept her word. Word means promise. The rat trap peddler proved to be a cheat. He was an impersonator. He acted as if he was someone else. Yet, she wanted to keep her promise, even knowing that the rat trap peddler was a cheat. She asked him to stay for Christmas with them. She was very observant. As soon as she saw the rat trap peddler's eyes, she knew that the rat trap peddler was very scared. He had done something wrong, and so there was fear in his eyes. She treated people with respect and dignity. Though the other person may not deserve the dignity, yet she was very nice to those people, and she also treated them with respect and dignity. Remember, she treated the rat trap peddler with dignity, though he proved that he was a cheat.